Come into the Gilligallou Bird store at 14 Mill Street and see what we have for window decorations for our birds. These can be for your viewing pleasure, or they can also add a nice distraction so birds aren't hitting your windows. We have different sizes, and as we walk through, I'll show you some of our beautiful wind chimes. That one's farewell to the butterfly, which they'll be leaving soon. And the hummingbird, beautiful copper. And more of window butterflies and cardinals. And our pièce de résistance. Ducks and Canada geese, along with wood ducks and mallards. It's absolutely beautiful. KK. All for you here at the Gilligallou Bird, 14 Mill Street. Come on in and let us help you with all your birding needs.